Welcome back to the last man standing Season 9 Championship. After a long wait, yes, I know, it's been a long time, and we have returned to see who will qualify for the 9th Championship. The first event here, individual balancing, a new event that never featured before. You see, Honeybees will be up first. This is Queen, so she will go first. But you see, she will make it first, so she will advance to the next round. Snowdrift. No. That's where the snowballs will rest. Now here comes one of the newcomers. There's a Mediterranean, but nothing there. Crisp from King Clarity. Is she going to go second? Misto from Mr. Mystics, who wants to qualify again. But so far, Will was second. Bolt. Oh, Sonnerbolt will make it. There we will have a second round. Nova, the new captain for Galaxies, and oh, that is not a good start. Resort. Oh, Resort. What was that? Pepper. Even worse. Well, actually, no, it's not worse, but that's abysmal. Red Fade. And just third. Fourth. Gallop. Zebras. Yeah, third last. For them. Wojo Cotro, the new captain of the Wojo Rollers. Mid-pack. Smelt. Smelt will make it. Well done. That's 3 miles going to the next round. Coral. Can Coral Reefs make it? Yes, they can. Now we have 4 marbles making it. Gem. No, the Gem will make it as well. Yes, they will. And the last one Cheese. And 6 marbles are making it. Well done to you. So we will line up all 6 of them again. But this time a little bit lower. And Queen is off first. Coral, here we go. That's better. Bolt. No, that's not gonna do it at all. Gem. Oh! But Jay will take the lead so far. Smelt. So unless it's the last marble, Cheese makes it. Yep. Flame Showers win the gold. Golden Gems will get second. And Coral Reefs, the newcomers, will get the bronze. But the Flame Showers will get their first qualifier gold in front of Golden Gems, and the Coral Reefs. This week will start off great for the first event. Our next event will be the distance drag. But let's see who will qualify for Season 9 Championship.